Now this is the question from the Syndicate Bank PEO. Syndicate Bank PEO. Okay, see what is the question. VUT are sitting around a circle. ABC are sitting around the same circle, but two of them are not facing center. Okay, so what is the information from this one here means, here we can have the UVT are the towards the center, and ABC are sitting around the same circle, but two of them are not facing the center. So two of them not facing the center. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to observe that one. Okay, so now, so first of all, draw the one circle. So draw the one circle. Okay, so in this circle, so how many of here? 3 and 3, 6 are there. So 6 persons you need to place the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in these 6 persons, okay, so 3 plus 1 means 4 persons towards the center and 2 persons away from the center. 2 persons away from the center. So this is the information. Now see, so first of all, whatever the placing the fixes, we will concentrate on the only these 3, because these 3 are the towards the center. And why you are not go for the ABC? Because in this one here we can have the some critical information that only 2 persons is from facing the center, is not the facing the centers. 2 are not facing the center. So that's why we are not taking the first of all ABC. So we will go for the first one is here can have the direct information of VUT. You can have the direct information of VUT. So we will go for the first of all UVT. Okay. So see, V is second to the left of C. Okay. And U is second to the right of A. B is third to the left of. So we will hold the whatever the we can have the letters A, B, C. We can hold for this one, because in this one we can have the indirect information. What is that indirect information? So two of them are not facing the center. So we don't know which 2 here. Either AB in the ABC we need to find out the which 2 here. So that's why we are not taking the ABC. We will go for the only UVT. Okay. So now whatever the information from UVT. So again in this one you need to go for the which letter having the more information, more number of time it is repeated. Okay. We will go for that one. See, V is second to the left of C. U is the second right of A. So B is leave that one. C is to the second right of T here. Okay. So here we can have the information about T here. Okay, so now we need to fix the place of T. How we can fix the place of T? Because it is towards the center. Okay, so B is third to the left of T. C is second to the right of T. Okay, so first we will fix the place of T. So see here. So here, for example, I will take the T here, and it is toward the center. Toward the center means this is the right and this is the left. So what is the information related to T here? B is third to the left. So left. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the B place. And don't fix the left right of B, because we don't know which one should be left, because it is from the toward the center or away from the center. But we can have clear information about T. It is toward the center. That's why I have taken the right and left. Next, C is second to the right of T. So here right 1, 2. So second right is C. Okay, now here we are fixing the 3. Now we will go for the other 3. So now T is fixed here, and now we can need to observe is there any other information related to B and C. You can go for that one. Okay, see here we can have V is second to the left of C. Okay, so we don't know whether C should be toward the center or away from the center. Okay, so next U is second to the right of A. So U is second to the right of A. So this is the one place we can have here, it is fixed, it is toward the center. We can have one more 2 here, one more to V and U also toward the center only, okay, toward the center. See here, now we'll go for the other one. A and C are not sitting together, okay, not sitting together. Now we'll go for this one. U is second to the right of A, so second to the right of A. So before fixing the right, U is second to the right. U, for example, if you take U should be A second right means here it is U toward the center, okay. So now U is second to the right of A, so B is third to the left of T, so already we can have the T is the, so what is the remaining thing one here? VUT, so VUT, so here U is finished, T is finished and ABC, so remaining is we can have here V here, remaining is V here, okay. So these 3 are the toward the center, these 3 are the toward the center. Now we need to fix that which ABC, 2 of them are not facing the center, so 2 should be away from the center. So which 2 should be, we need to fix that one. So based upon this one, so B is third to the left of T, okay. So U is second to the right of A, okay. So see, now here it is given the which of the following facing center, which of the following facing center. So because we need to find out the A, B, C, which of the following center. Now see here, V is second to the left of C, V is second to the left of C. So left of C, for example, if you take the C is from away from the center, because we have the option second left is V here, second left is V, nothing but V is from away from the center. Away from the center means this is the left and this is the right, this is the left and this is the right. So away from the center, second left is V, okay. So C is away from the center, okay. Now here 2 are away from the center, is one is C, one is C. We will go for the other one, which one is for, so C. And A and C are not sitting together. So A and C are not sitting together. So what is that meaning? So must and should, it should be not sitting together, means not like that one. It is called as a neighboring. It is not in the neighboring. Already we can have that, is the opposite we can have. So now see, is there a B is third to the left of T, okay. So C is second to the right of T, C is second to the right of T. Now here U is second to the right of A, U is second to the right of A. So second to the right, second to the right. For example, U is toward the, A is toward the center, okay. So first and second, first and second. So nothing but this is the right and this is the left, okay. So A is toward the center, A is toward the center means automatically B is away from the center, B is away from the center, because 2 is away from the center, 1 is toward the center, automatically all remaining 3 are toward the center, okay. So C and B are away from the center, A is toward the center, okay. Now we will go for the questions. Which of the following facing center? So which of the following facing center here? Which of the following facing center? So BA, CA, BC. So here we can have the A only, which are the following facing center, okay. So which one is here? None of this, because B and C is away from the center, A is the only toward the center. So is there combination is given, which are the following facing center? Here we can have BA, BC is away from the center, don't confuse here, BC is away from the center. The question is which of the following the facing the center? Facing the center is, we can have only A facing the center, B and C away from the center, okay. So none of this. Next, what is the position of V respect to C? So position of V with respect to C, from C, so from C this is the left here, first left, second left. So second left is V is here. Next, what is the position of A respect to U? What is the position of A respect to U? So U here. So this is the right for U and this is the left for U. So what is the position of A? If you take from the left side, this is the second left. If you take from the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Based upon your options. If they based upon the right, they will give the, so right means 1, 2, 3, fourth right. Left means 1, 2, second left. Okay, based upon option you can go for that one. So in this manner you can solve here. So what is the steps? Once I am repeating the from the seating arrangement whenever they will use the questions. So you need to follow the steps. So what is the steps? First of all, based upon the question, first you need to check the how many number of objects and places they are given. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 like this. First you need to count that object. After that one you can draw the graphical representation. So if it is circle, you can draw the circle. If it is line, you can draw the line. If it is a rectangular, hectagonal, whatever it may be, graphical representation, first of all you draw that one. So for example, if you take the square, so 4 persons means in this manner you can draw. So once you draw, after that one based upon the information you can place the values. So how can you place the objects or peoples? I have already discussed about. First of all you need to check the, if it is the linear, you need to check the ends are given. Okay, so otherwise if there is no ends are given, there is no clues are given. So what is our next last position is, you need to check that one whether the information is related, more number of time it is repeated, whatever the object or letter that is repeated times is given, you need to go for that one. Okay, so in this manner you need to solve. So already we had discussed about here, today we will discuss about the previous questions from RRB, SSC, IBPS clerk and PO. Okay, this is the PO question. Now we can understood from RRB how the questions are, and from SSC how the question level is increased. So based upon the levels of the question depth also increases. Okay, so whenever you are preparing for your exams, RRB, SSC, bank and PO, so the depth of the questions also increases. Already we have discussed today 4 from the RRB, SSC, IBPS clerk and PO. Okay, so based upon that you can start your preparation. Okay, so all the best for your future. And once I am telling you, you have to subscribe our channel, and already we are putting the from Play Store, you can download the to practice the previous questions. And if you have any doubt when you are practicing the previous question and on your online exam, just send a mail. Already you have the mail also, so we'll check that one, we'll get back to you. Okay, thank you.